Tumefinywa, niko Land Rover ndani. Sasa hata nimeongea, nimesikia uchungu sana. Tunatafutia watoto school fees ama tunalipa nini cash bill. Cash bill hata imesiti imeenda 10,000. Sasa iko shida gani kwa hii Kenya yetu, tutamwambia nani?
We are urging the drivers and the passengers to be especially the drivers to be very cautious on this road. Not because we are on the road. They must be compliant in terms of documentation. Some vehicles are not unroadworthy, so we are urging them to be very cautious and to be. We want even the members of the public to assist us who are boarding, the passengers themselves, to be raising issues that if they know that vehicle is not in order, it hasn't complied in terms of insurance and in terms of other documentations. Others are infringing on their routes. They're not supposed to be here on this route. And we are telling them they should be cautious. They should not take advantage of these festivities to hike what we call the fares, and at the same time not to bring on the road vehicles that are unroadworthy.
I was traveling to Kericho for a function at home. I was expected to be there by 11, but unfortunately, due to the crackdown on the road, we've highlighted here at the airport. We've just been told to highlight from the vehicle. We don't know the problem with the vehicle, so we're just stranded here. We don't know when the vehicle will be released.